I said 5 seconds again and off it went. Divvy sods with a cup of bloody tea. Here it goes. Oh, don't flipping no. Is it focusing? No. Focus. Bang. Crikey, it gives me a bloody headache. And there goes Brayford finishing off. Slowly as hell. And here we go. Up, Rabbit coming down. Bang. Told you. Gets annoying. Very annoying. We can't really have to focus on the sunshine either. Well, this thing has got about 2. So you got 1. This has got 2. So you have to divert your way around. I don't know why I do that. Let's have a look at Black Adidas. Well, I just said 5 seconds and off it went. It's 35. And that's only 1 minute on the clock, so yes, she's probably working. God knows, if this thing pulls up bloody early, it's completely cocked up. We bloody know why. We'll flip that, I'll just try and get a very focused on air to Leicester. It's ready? Already? There's your old box. Where's this bloody thing? Oh yay, still got another 20 seconds. Still, I don't care. I'm putting the thing on here anyway. Shouldn't be nothing coming the other end yet. Here it go, here it comes, should I say. Early and completely cocked up again. 156 410. Focusing. 156 410 to Leicester. And I've got to come back here in case it pings me up, which it probably will do. And there it goes, an on-focusing video for you, and that's it.